We invited some friends to help us promote what Walt Disney World Resort offers for children of all ages. We figured cast members may know our parks pretty well, but what about their kids? Here's what cast members' kids think about Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Let's go! I love the hill. I gotta go up the hill and my buttons go wiggling. And my heart is going. And then I go slow and I go stop.
What's your favorite ride?
Slinky Dog.
Now's the time. Introduce your little one to the most magical place on Earth, Walt Disney World Resort.